I'm sure it has happened to you that during an important phone call, you accidentally press the screen lock button and end up disconnecting the call. That must have been a frustrating moment, but there is an easy way to prevent this problem. In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable screen lock on your iPhone without ending the call. This feature allows you to save battery and avoid unwanted interruptions, even when the screen is locked. Follow these simple steps and you'll never have to worry about it again. First, go to the home screen, find the Settings app, and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit, find the Accessibility option, and tap on it to open it. Once you're on the Accessibility page, the next step is to scroll down a bit more and under the Physical and Motor section, find the Touch option and tap on it. After that, now that you're on the Touch Settings page, scroll all the way down and find the option called Prevent Lock to End Call. When you find it, simply tap the switch next to the option to enable it. Once you enable this option, your iPhone screen will still lock as usual, but the call will not be disconnected. This means you can safely lock the screen during a call without worrying about losing the connection. This feature is useful when you want to save battery or prevent accidental screen touches, but without the fear of disconnecting the call. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and that you successfully activated this option. If it was, make sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you soon and thank you so much for watching.